Hi, and welcome to this beautiful forest. Last night it rained, and now everything is clear and fresh, and the air feels so purified. And that's exactly what we want to do today. Purify our energy when we feel like this stickiness or nervous energy, this anxious feeling coming up. So we're going to do some very easy Qigong practices that anybody can do. And just join in. We begin just to take in the greenery, open our eyes to this beautiful nature all around us, and just find a comfortable stand, feet shoulder width apart, and just take a deep breath with me. Inhale this pristine energy in, and then through your mouth, just let it go. If you like, you can even sigh it out. It feels so good to the body. So good to the spirit. And then listen to beautiful bird song, which is helping us to calm down. And what I really like to do is ground myself. That is like the easiest part. You just feel your feet firmly planted on the ground. And if you like, you can even go barefoot. That's the best thing you can do. The second best thing you can do is wear some grounding shoes with a leather sole and a copper coin in it. All right. So we begin with our first practice, which is so easy. It's called shake the tree. And what we do is just bounce into our heels, very loose. Feel your body relaxing. And then just take an inhale from the nose and sigh it out again. Just really sigh it out. Let everything go. Everything that got stuck in our nervous system, in our breath. And use the breath and the shaking to release. You can become so loose. Just relax your shoulders. Feel like how they're like rubber. So relaxed. Feel it in your knees, in your legs, in your hips, and then in your arms, in your fingertips. Shake it off. And what I like to do is shake it in all directions. First, I like to start with the back. Just shake it off to the back. You can even look back and say, it's gone. And bring a smile to your face. Inhale deeply through the nose. And exhale, shake it off, let it go. And then when we have gotten rid of it, we shake to the side with energy. So good. Shake it off. And inhale again, and exhale. Shake it off to this side, to that side, and now we're ready for our energy shower. Imagine this waterfall, the power of the water just coming down on you, on your crown. So refreshing, so good. And then on your neck, release everything. And then on your chest. And if you want, shake it off from you to the front. And now to the ground. Let everything fall into Mother Earth. She'll happily receive and recycle it for us into new, fresh energy, sending it up the legs. And when you're shaking down now, really feel your shoulders relaxed. Inhale, exhale, and just let go. And then you can become very still. Open your fingers. Open your arms a little bit, like you have oranges under your armpit. And feel into this beautiful sensation, into every cell of your body that is vibrating, that is alive, cleansed and fresh. And then we inhale, raise your arms up by the sides. And with the exhale, we wash down, like rinse everything down. Inhale up. And exhale, wash down. One more time. And cleanse it from your mind. Any stuck emotions, let them fall down and rinse the body. And now we include the triple warmer sound. It's like a steam shower, like a again. Inhale and steam. One last time, inhale. And imagine violet light steaming everything away. Feeling so pure, so refreshed. You can come with your hands facing the earth at the height of your navel and really earth and ground. Soften your breath. And feel this calming feeling within. Now we want to protect ourselves. And now we come into the protection cross, so nothing can come at us. Like raise your arms a little, then sink down. Arms, wrists, cross, over the heart like a protection, and then over us like a golden shield of light. Sink, cross, inhale, and exhale, paint this golden shield. Inhale and exhale. Really feel into it. Give yourself time and feel and visualize the protection, your heart being protected, your mind, your energy, your aura. And this time, imagine catching a little ball in your hands. Just pulse it a few times. And then we bring this energy back home to the lower dantian. Inhale. And exhale. Press it in. Feel the warmth of your hands sinking deep. And then we can step the feet together. Thank you so much for practicing with me. And feel your heart one more time. You can say, I feel calm. I feel protected by the love and grace of God and the universe. Thank you. And Amitufwa. I hope you enjoyed this little short practice here in the beautiful forest with those singing birds, and you feel so much better. Let me know if it helped you, and if you need a little longer practice, I link one just here. You can click on it and then you can do a 20-minute practice, a full Qigong flow practice. Thank you so much. See you very soon again. And thank you for being here. Thank you for liking, sharing, subscribing, and of course, for all your lovely comments. Mwah! Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. And I hope you feel refreshed and full of energy. Bye-bye.